guys, so today I am reviewing Jeffree Star Skin. This is an initial review. I've only been using it for about a week now, so I just want you to keep that in mind. So I'll go through what I used first of all and how I use it and how often I use it, things like that. So I use the strawberry water clarifying cleanser every day in the shower. It's still wet from this morning, but I use this every day. This reminds me of the Paris Hilton body wash that you'd get in the gift sets. I used to collect Paris Hilton fragrance, so this is very that for me. Kind of nostalgic and I kind of love it. Then I go in with the toner, the strawberry water facial toner. This is alcohol free. Love this packaging. I think this is so kind. Really love it. I've just used that toner. Now I'm gonna apply some moisturizer and talk to you guys. I really like these products. I have not used the Make Me Melt Magic Removing Balm. I've never used one of these before, so I don't really have anything to reference on. Also, I love the bag that it comes with. I think this is super cute, very spacious, lots of room. I was a little disappointed with this because I thought that the toner, cleanser, and the tube things would sit down here, but they don't fit. These are quite small, so they just fit the, well, maybe they don't. Okay, so they don't even the fuck. Okay, that one fits the eye cream. Like they're not big at all. So that's my only gripe with that, but I really like this bag and I will be using it to carry these products in if I ever go anywhere. Not that I literally go anywhere, but whatever. I also want to preface this by saying I'm not a skincare expert. I'm far from it. I worked as a makeup artist for many years. I did not do skincare. I took a couple aesthetics classes and that was it. So I just want you to know that this is not a professional opinion. I wanted to dislike these products because I don't like buying skincare online unless it's from like Sephora, where you can get like pretty much next day shipping. I was using the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. My friend put me onto this and I actually really enjoy this as well too. I wanted to reduce my pores just right here, and I felt that it was doing that. I was microneedling as well too with it. And just for reference, my skin is normal, a little sensitive, and a little dry, but not much by any means. I know some people have very dry skin and I do not. So I'm gonna do some eye cream here. I love eye cream. When I was younger, I did not put moisturizer on, but I put eye cream on because I was always scared of getting fine lines around my eyes, and now I have fine lines around my eyes even though I did moisturize. So whatever. This is it. The packaging is very cute. The little tip here has a star. Very cute, very custom. I'm kind of a geek for packaging, I suppose. I didn't think I was, but I guess I am. My fan's on in the background because I sweat like crazy when I'm putting skincare on. Now we will do some of the, what's this moisturizer called? Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. I opened this package with my friend who put me on the Ole Henriksen. She was over waxing my legs and we were talking about how gorgeous this packaging is. I'm totally obsessed. It's very heavy. I feel like I could body someone with this. I think it's so beautiful. Normally I rhinestone everything. I won't even be rhinestoning this. I don't think I'll be rhinestoning any of the skincare because I think it's really cute. I love the color pink, and if this was on your vanity, nothing else but just this would look so glamorous. It looks like a perfume bottle almost. Then I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Repair and Revive Lip Mask. I would have loved to see more flavors of this. I love the Laneige lip mask. Normally for cleanser as well too, I totally forgot to mention. Normally I just use Cetaphil for cleanser and I don't use any toner. Right now, what I've been doing with this is doing the full routine in the morning, and then at night, I do the full routine minus the cleanser. So I'll just use the toner at night. I'm just in fear of drying out my skin. I haven't had good experiences with trying other skincare and stuff like that. I tried the Ole Henriksen because my friend is an esthetician and she loves it. We have similar kind of skin. Hi, Samantha, if you're watching. So yeah, this is the lip mask. It's very jelly-like. I don't really know how to explain it. I did get my lips done yesterday. That's why there's hella bruising, but I really like this. I wear it with my sleep apnea mask, and I don't wake up with dry lips. One thing about this is if you drink a water bottle with it and then put the water bottle down or put it back in the fridge or whatever, and then you go back to it later, it'll still have this flavor on it, which was kind of disgusting. But whatever, I mean. And then we have the Magic Star Glow Face Mist, which I like. The pump on it does not really dispense a lot of product for me. I prefer being totally doused when I'm spraying my face with something, but that's not to say that it's necessary, really. You don't have to do that. It feels like it comes out in a straight line almost. So it's like you're coating your skin like that. I don't know how to explain it. After using all these products, my skin feels good. Like I said, I've been using them for about a week, and I will come back and talk to you guys in 30 days. And if you want me to do more updates after that, I will. But I was given the recommendation of doing one initial review, which is kind of like this. I've been doing it for a week, and then a month after. So anyway, yeah, I'm liking how my skin is looking. I feel like it's moisturizing. I feel like it's that's one thing that worries me the most is moisture and hydration. That's what I really want. I don't have oily skin at all, so I don't have to worry about that type of situation. But I knew for a fact that I would like the moisturizer, the eye cream, the lip mask, those type of things, because I've never really had one that I don't like. My skin's easy in that department. It was the toner and the cleanser that I was really worried about, which I actually ended up liking more than I expected that I would. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video the next time I do a makeup tutorial, which I'm not sure when it will be. I've been feeling kind of down about my appearance lately, I guess. So just, I haven't really been too interested in it. But when I do that, I will be using the Make Me Melt Makeup Removing Balm. And I'm going to do a dedicated video for this. I think this is such a cute idea, so custom. This is another thing, if this was on your vanity or whatever nightstand, it would be really gorge. Yeah. I tried it out, just the little spatula thing, and then put the shit back in. So anyway, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will see you all very soon. Please do subscribe, like, comment, all of that. I'm feeling moist and luxurious. Bye, guys.